Hi! Hello! Good morning to everybody! Hello mga ka-brothers and sisters! Ito na naman po ang Samutsari Pinay in Taiwan vlog. Okay po, so ang ating pag-uusapan for today is mga tourist spot dito sa Taiwan. Pumili po ako ng 15 places na para i-share po sa inyo together with their address. Okay, ang una po nating pag-usapan is ang Yellow Geopark. Ang Yellow Geopark ay isang iconic Queen's Head Formation. Mukha po itong landscape mula sa Mars dahil po sa kakaibang structure nito. Lahat ito ay may kaakit-akit na pangalan tulad ng fairy shoes at sea candles. Isa ito sa special na puntahan ng mga turista. Makikita niyo po ang mga example or larawan ng Geo or Yellow Geopark. Taipei 101. Ang Taipei 101 ay may taas na 1,667 talampakan or 508 ang metro. Ang Taipei 101 ang pinakamataas na gusali sa mundo. Sa loob po ay may mga opisina, restaurant at multi-level na shopping complex. Kung nanaisin niyo pong umakyat sa taas, may kaukulang bayad po. Sa adult, 420, sa student is 300. Okay, so ang pangatlo po, ang Shifen Waterfall. Ang Shifen Waterfall is one of the most famous falls in Taiwan. At kung maaraw po, ito po ay lumilikha ng rainbow effect. Ang falls ay may lapad na 131 talampakan. So, ilalagay ko rin po dito ang address ng Diwa Street. This is the most major commercial center during late Qing Dynasty. The market stalls and Chinese medicine shop sells a variety of teas, herb, dried mushroom, sweets, and other dried goods. So, pwede ho kayong magpunta at mamili doon. Ang Temple. Ang Bao'an Temple, the most popular and significant religious site in Taipei. It was built during 1760 from southern China immigrants, and it was dedicated to Emperor Deity Baosheng, ang Diyos ng medisina at pagpapagaling. No admission fee is needed, but they are requesting to speak in a lower voice and dress properly. Ang panglima po is Taipei National Palace Museum. Ang Taipei National Palace Museum is one of the most important collection of Chinese art in the world. Nagtatampok ng humigit kumulang 690,000 na mga antiko, pagpipinta, calligraphy, bronze, jade, ceramics, and culture. Ang pang-anim naman po ay ang Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Ang Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall ay isa sa mga pinakakilalang landmark at sikat na attraction sa Taipei. Dito nyo po malalaman ang kasaysayan ng buhay ni Chiang Kai-shek and the history of Taiwan. Inside this impressive building sits within 62 acres or 25-hectare memorial park with garden, pools, and walkways. Ang pang-pito po is ang Longshan Temple. Ang Longshan Temple, ito ang pinakamatandang templo sa Taiwan. It is for worshipping Guanxian Buddha. The temple has many Chinese poems, verses, and lyrics on sign. These add a touch of literature in addition to the religious and sightseeing value. Ang pangwalo, ang National Revolutionary Martyrs Shrine. Ang National Revolutionary Martyrs Shrine built in 1969. The National Revolutionary Martyrs Shrine is dedicated to the 390,000 soldiers who died in the Chinese Civil War. At kapansin-pansin po dito ang oras-oras na seremonya ng pagbabago. Elephant Mountains. It is relatively easy climb. Takes you to the top of the hill na matataw ninyo ang malawak na tanawin ng Taipei. Sabi nga po, it is the easiest and accessible trail in Taipei to have the best views of the city. Kung mahilig po kayong mag-hike, subukan niyo po dito sa Elephant Mountain. Free admission po at sometimes ang tawag dito is Xiangshan. Ang pang-sampo, ang Yangmingshan National Park. Ang Yangmingshan National Park is located on the northern edge of Taiwan. It was also called Kaohsian or Grass Mountain dahil ito po ay napapalibutan ng mga damo. The park is designed in traditional Chinese style. The natural beauty of the park has won the reputation as urban forest and Taipei Garden. The park is characterized by a large clock made of flowers with a diameter of 22 feet. Water runs around the flower clock and music is played every hour. Ang Kaohsiung Pier 2 Art Center. This is situated number 3 of Kaohsiung Port. It has made into unique open art space, providing artists and the student with an environment in which to express themselves and become Kaohsiung's most popular cultural spot. So maganda pong pumunta dyan. Maraming attraction, maraming kayong makikita doon. Okay po, ang Fo Guang Shan Monastery. It is one of the 4 largest Buddhist organization in Taiwan. The enormous sprawling temple complex is more than double in size. It is 50 meters in height on 13 hectares in size, and one of the largest Buddhist temple in Taiwan. Po Guang Shan Monastery is a must-to-see destination for the first-time visitors. Number 14, ang Ilan. Ilan is located in northern Taiwan. Ilan is popular on day trip and weekend destination from Taipei. Set on a lush plain with the ocean on one side and mountain on the other side. The district offers plenty of natural wealth of cultural and other attraction. Nature lovers will find plenty to keep them occupied. At ang panghuli, ang Ximen. Ximenting, ika nga. Ximenting features on many sightseeing tour in Taipei. Small dolls and boutique to large department store offering a wide variety of goods. There are plenty of entertainment options, including bars, clubs, karaoke venues, street